Chirpy companions, the delightful world of singing canaries.
Discover the joy of canaries, vibrant singers of the wild. Explore diverse canary habitats, nature's vibrant tapestry of life. Delve into the kaleidoscopic beauty of a canary's plumage. Unlock the mystery of the canary's seed-rich diet. Unveil the social life of canaries amidst melody and harmony. Witness the intimate journey of a canary's springtime nesting. Explore canaries as seed dispersers, ecology orchestrators in disguise. Step into history, explore canaries' enduring cultural narrative.